Okay, so I'm in the glue-in stage, and this is my first time using Tacky Glue. It's thicker than regular PVA glue, which is just what we need because PVA is, water-based glue, and it can get quite wet. This being thicker, it's got a bit more grip, a lot more grip, and is really suitable for sticking fabrics, to the point that you can actually stick on wood, or use the glue rather on wood. So I'm just using this. It's got a really narrow nozzle, which means I'm able to easily control the flow and just put what I need. And as we can see, I'm just kind of gonna stick that down. The thing about it says it has fast hold, and it's also slow drying. So although it's going to stick immediately, you would want to leave it for at least 24 hours to make sure you've got that strong hold. Oh, I'm really liking this. I think I want a bird. I'm going to change the design up a bit and make it something maybe a bit more scenic. But yeah, that's using the Tacky Glue. I might even leave it there. Thanks for tuning in.